Maayong hapon, America! Good evening, Pilipinas! Kumusta po kayo? How are you all? Sana po nasa mabuting kalagayan tayo ngayon. I hope everyone is in a good day. So, welcome back to the channel. And today's video is still about my trip in Hawaii. Sana po magustuhan nyo. And to all of you, to all my subscriber, I hope you enjoy the video. Please watch until the end. That way, you know, it helps to the channel to grow. Thank you so much in advance. Let's watch the video. So, ayan po, in the morning, kumain po ako sa restaurant na, ayan, Goopy. It's a walking distance from the hotel. And this is what I got. It's a coffee and scrambled egg wrap with design, flowers. And let's go eat! Bon appetit, mga ka-Munchkin! Masarap. Very delicious. Ayan. And then, I plan to go to see the whale watching at the other hotel and resort. It's a little bit far from where I stay. So they say that, you know, it's free over there. So we'll see. Ayan, kain tayo. Masarap din po yung ano nila with what do you call that? Chips. So this is I'm done already breakfast, so I'm running right now. So this is the view and scenery and the road. Ayan, going to Kahala Hotel and Resort, I believe. That's where I'm heading for. Ayan po. Ayan, so as you can see the ocean, I'm approaching to the hotel. So, hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Sorry to late upload for this one because your Munchkin is very busy. So this is the entrance or the car way to the hotel. You can see the green little, you know, entrance there, and this is the hotel. It's really nice. This is the lobby of the hotel. Ayan. So, very, very nice hotel. As you can see there. Ayan. So, ayan. Dahil po hindi ako guest sa hotel, ayan, dadaan ako ng stairs. Maganda po yung stairs nila. I like it. I like the stairs. And then at the bottom of the hotel or downstairs, they have like living room too, that you can sit there or rest after you're swimming from the beach, or, you know, kinda, if you came from outside. So, ayan, mga ka-Munchkin, take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So, just exploring the around the hotel. They are so kind that let me go and just to enjoy and watch the whales. So, ayan mga ka-Munchkin. Just enjoying the trip. This is very large. I mean, accommodation downstairs or kinda. So this is the stop for with the hotel and to taking care of the whales. As you can see the whales, yan. Ganda po sila. They're playing or, really, really nice. So, sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aking video ngayon. I hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. As you can see, the wheels is right there. Very entertaining. Yes, I love it. I really enjoy watching them. They're really, really good to watch. Very entertaining. Malamig po dito, kaya ayan. So, I like the weather in Hawaii. It's very tropical, a little colder than the Philippines, because maybe it's full season here in the US. So ayan mga kamunchkin, take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Ayan, I hope you watch my video until the end. It helps in my channel. And leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, guys. And any suggestion or anything, if you have question, just write in the comment section box, in the description box. So ayan, as you guys can see, yeah, the whales is swimming. But I don't know how many whales is there, but I just can say I saw 4 or 5 of them that, they're swimming on that little, actually it's kind of large for them because they have 2 parts. So yan po, really nice, as you guys can see. And then there's waterfalls at the hotel. So yeah, very beautiful, nice. And the hotel is so high. I don't know how many floors. So, but very clean and very close to the beach. So they have a garden right there. I guess you can do like, resting in there. And here, pause muna. Ayan. Pause daw muna ako. Ayan. I'm trying. Ayan. Enjoy po ako dyan. Talaga. The sounds of the water, very good. It's very relaxing. It looks like you're recharging your mind and your soul. And this is the other side. Ayan, going to the beach. Ayan, naglakad-lakad lang po ako dyan. Going to the beach. So, sana po nagustuhan nyo ang video ito. Ayan. So, they have some kind of little kubo, or I don't know what to call that for that one. But yeah. They have that in there. And it's overlooking to the whale watch or whale side. Or just let me know what the exact words for that one. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here, look at me. Mahangin. It's very windy when I went. So, my sombrero or hat almost you know, almost the wind gonna blow my hat. But they have this little, like aquarium. So, and this is the beach. Look at that, mga kamunchkin. Very relaxing. It's kind of private because it's not crowded. There's not a lot of people, and I like it there. The water is so clean, very clean. Ayan. So, nakita nyo po, mahangin. It's so windy. I wanna go jump to the water that time, but I don't have a clothes to change. I just went there to watch the whales. So, but the beach is really nice. So, why not? I'm just I just filmed it. And here I am, pushing. I try to, if I can do a video myself with my camera a little bit far. Ayan, so balik muna ako. I'm coming back to my camera. I guess it's good if somebody filming you, but for me, I'm just by myself filming. So, it's okay. Ayan mga kamunchkin. Hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And now my way to go back to the hotel. It's a gloomy afternoon. So, ayan. It's it's raining. So very gloomy. Ayan. That's the scenery going back to the hotel. Ayan. Raining, raining, raining. But I like it. I like rain. I wish we have rain in here in Arizona, but sometimes very rare. So, thank you so much for watching mga kamunchkin. Ayan. So, and then stop by this Mexican restaurant. It's a local Hawaiian restaurant there. I got that taco salad. Let's eat dinner. Ayan, dinner na po tayo. Thank you so much for watching mga kamunchkin. I hope you like the video and don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below. And I will see you in my next one. Magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga adventure sa mga kababayan ko po. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Sana po suportahan niyo po ako sa aking adventure. And mag-ingat po tayong lahat. And I love you all, to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. Sana po hindi po kayo magsasawa sa aking sa panunood sa aking munting video. Ayan. Thank you so much. God bless. And this is your Filipina Munchkin. Babu.